गुड मॉर्निंग रॉनिल नहीं रॉनिल नहीं गुड मॉर्निंग ग्रैंडफादर। ये ग्रैंडफादर के गेट पर टर्न बैक रॉनिल। ये देखिए ग्रैंडफादर इज रेडी। चलो ठीक है रॉनिल।
पापा
रॉनिल इधर देखो।
इज माय पापा।
ऑल द बेस्ट। ओह यस अब हुआ ना ये। हाँ सही भूल रहा था हम लोग स्पेक्स भी लेके जाना है। ओके ग्रैंडफादर आर यू रेडी? यस ऑल द बेस्ट ग्रैंडफादर बाय। हेलो गाइस वेलकम टू आवर चैनल नील एंड रॉनिल। और मैं भी रेडी हो चुकी हूँ रॉनिल का प्ले देखने के लिए एकदम सुपर एक्साइटेड हूँ। तो एक्चुअली हम लोग पेरेंट्स भी इनवाइटेड है। रोहित के पास टाइम नहीं वो नहीं जा पाएगा बट मैं तो जाऊँगी और आप लोग को भी दिखाती हूँ कैसा रॉनिल एक्ट करता है। रोहित अभी भी टाइम है चल लो सारा अपडेट देते रहेंगे।
ओके
Let us invite today's anchors of the day from grade 1 who are brimming with talent and are poised to enchant in their own way. Let me introduce Ananya and Ajira. Let's give them all a big round of applause as it's their
Principal ma'am, admin head, coordinators, a heartwarming welcome to our dear parents. Welcome to a day dedicated to a family, a celebration of love, support and togetherness that bind us all. Today we honor the bonds that make us stronger and the moment that make our heart fuller. Today our grade 1 family is excited to showcase this special bond that we share with one another. Through various performances, we will highlight the love and unity that make our family unique in an exciting style. Our next performance is a group song that will have you singing along and dancing in your seats. Please welcome our singers with a big clap as they enchant us with their beautiful voices. Let's sing
some songs that we listened to when you were kids.
Okay.
Do any songs come to mind? Would you like to share a few songs?
Mowgli song. Mowgli Jungle Jungle.
Jungle Jungle, yes, that was a kid favorite. I'm sure we all listened to Jungle Jungle and it definitely brings back so many memories when we listen to the songs that we listened to when we were kids. So, let's welcome the kids on stage and you can see a smile on all the faces present here as we think about our favorite songs. I can definitely see all our faces light up as we think of those songs. So, let's lay back and immerse ourselves in the melody of the song that we are just about to listen. Let's enjoy it and go through our childhood memories when we sang as kids. And parents, please encourage our tiny tots as it is the first time that they are taking the stage.
Bye.
the children of class 1, along
अब आ गया लो अनिल
with
का
an encouraging teacher, Mr. Aman,
हाँ,
have put in a lot of hard work
Acting
and
वाला ही है ना?
effort to put
पता
together
नहीं,
this
ये
lovely
dance है,
performance
dance है।
for you parents. So let's honor their hard work and dedication. Role play is helpful for students to express themselves creatively. It brings out the creative and artistic skills of our little children and helps them to express themselves under any given situation and circumstance.
Scene 1
Dear parents, we are little children and we are doing this for the very first time. So kindly overlook the little mistakes that we make and cheer us on.
Yes ma'am
Your
Scene 1. A modern household. In a busy modern world, the bond between parents and children is changing. This is the story of a family struggling to stay connected. As now the scene opens in the living room. The father John is busy with his laptop and the mother Sneha is on a conference call. Their teenage son Alex sits on the couch glued to his phone.
Yash, did you finish your homework? Yeah, I guess. Okay, Mama.
Scene end with a note that everyone is busy with their own work. Nobody is caring with their own working style. Scene 2. A busy school day where Alex is sitting alone during the lunchtime staring at his phone. His friend Rohan approaches to him very nicely and calmly.
Hey, yes, you okay? Just tired. Just tired, nothing new. You know you can talk to me, right? My parents are always busy on their phone.
and cheer them on up so that it helps build up their confidence as they take their stage.
Hello, I am Mother, the heart of a family, love and guardian of our home and harmony. Thank you. Nothing brings me greater joy than showering my precious children with love and care, watching them grow and thrive under my nurturing gaze. Thank you. Hello, I am the father, the steadfast leader of our family voyage through life boundless sea. It is my honor and privilege to navigate our ship, guiding us with a steady hand. Thank you. Hello, I am a big brother, a strong pillar, support and friendship from my sibling. Thank you. I am the one who offers not only physical protection but also emotional comfort and understanding to my younger brother and sisters. Thank you. Hello, I am a cousin. Cousin I share secret play together and make each other laugh. They are like a siblings but from another family. Thank you. Hello, I am a cousin. Just like our ready-made friends in the family. Always up for fun and games.
Yeah
Hello, I am nurturing spirit. I am the only one who feels love and care. I am like a best friend who always ready to listen. Thank you. Hello, I am the uncle. I am like the fun friend who always are fun and I'm the one who can talk to when someone needs advice or just won't have a good time. Thank you. Hello, I am a grandfather. I am like a big, strong tree in our family with also of a story to tell. Thank you. My hands are rough, but my heart is full of love. I am wise of old own, always help when they need it. Thank you. I like a study, faith, love and wisdom into every moment. Thank you. My gentle touch and steady guidance holds the scroll.
That was an amazing performance of grade 1 students. Now this is what we call family, where we share love, happiness, affection to each other. Someone rightly said that family is nature's masterpiece. So big round of applause everyone.
Let's give a big round of applause to our young actors who have put in a lot of effort to bring the performance to
All the
life.
best. Yay! Good.
Experience for the children as it was. And hopefully, we have sown the seeds of an upcoming generation of actors. We all know we need some good actors around here.
Coming up next, we have a fantastic group dance performance that will surely get your feet tapping. Please welcome our glittering stars to the stage. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Dance is an activity of creative expression. It not only promotes physical but mental well-being of children as well. Our students have put their bodies, hearts and souls into bringing this dance performance to life. Watch their faces light up with joy and candor as they take up the stage. Let's cheer them up with a loud bang of applause as they put their best feet forward. Parents, please encourage children with the first time, especially for our parents. We have put our hearts and soul into this performance. event will be available on Instagram and Facebook soon after the event. So kindly refrain from clicking pictures during ongoing performances as it blocks the view for the parents sitting at the back. Thank you. Demonstrate their inner strength and serenity through the art of yoga. Let their peaceful movements guide you to calmness. Spiritual practice that originated in ancient India over 5,000 years ago. It aims to unite the body, mind, and spirit, promoting overall well-being and self-awareness. It offers numerous benefits such as improved flexibility, better sleep quality, reduced stress. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced practitioner, yoga has something to offer everyone. So let's watch our young students and hopefully learn something from them. What an impressive performance that was. I'm hoping we all picked a few things from them and learned something from this. Let us make yoga a part of our lives and not something we practice to click selfies just before on yoga day. With this, we have approached the end of our program. Soul of our school, our Honorable Principal Ma'am, for her words of wisdom.
Good morning and Jai Gurudev to each one of you present over here. It's really a lovely morning seeing the audience full with the parents in spite of working day. Really a big thanks from all the SSRVM fraternity that you people have come to encourage not only the children but we elders also. Even sometimes teachers, me, our supporting staff, everyone needs motivation and appreciation from the parents, and this is the way that you can motivate us by your presence. Thank you once again. Though class 1 students have made me speechless today, I was just discussing it with Poonam ma'am and Mohini ma'am sitting besides me that hardly 2.5 months back these students have come in class 1 from KG.
Yes.
From pre-primary to class 1, just transition of 2.5 months, and I am really feeling proud while sitting as a principal over there when my students were speaking so fluently, holding the mic. Even we elders feel shy or sometimes a stage fear while coming on the stage, holding the mic and speaking in front of so many learned people sometimes become very difficult for us also. But I am really proud of my teachers, of all the class 1 teachers. I request each one of you to please come forward, because thank you is a little word for all 4 of you, along with the primary coordinator, Miss Mohini, who was at the back each from last week or 10 days while practicing. And one thing you must have noticed, that it was 100% participation from class 1.
Yes.
2-3 students we have left because they are not coming from last week or 10 days to the school. Otherwise, we have taken each and every child in this small program. It is just an initiative, though you must have seen some flaws in anchoring, some flaws in dance, some flaws while speaking during role play, but just looking at their age and coming on the stage and speaking so fluently, I am proud of my 2 little girls. Yesterday when I was seeing the run through, I was telling Anubha ma'am, आपने बचानी है कल इज्जत, बिकॉज ये बच्चे बहुत छोटे हैं. बट जब मैंने पूरा प्रोग्राम देखा, when I saw the entire program, I was really shocked how these little girls are speaking. Really thank you to both the girls and Anubha ma'am to prepare them to speak so well. And this is just a start. Abhi to July hai, the entire year is there. You will be called for n number of activities, class activities, because we always believe in overall development of our kids. SSRVM is not like uski jo education hai, that is not limited to the books only. We always believe in overall development. Rote learning plays a back role. You must have observed in the class WhatsApp group, for each and every concept teachers are doing lot of activities in pre-primary also till class 2, so that we can make the concepts more clear and avoid rote learning. And that is also one of the part. And now by today, our students know the importance of family. And one lesson we learn as a parent from the role play, that we should give importance to our kids. We should stay connected at the family and avoid using mobiles, laptops when our kids are sitting with us and they want to discuss something. So as a parent, I am taking this as a takeaway from today's program and hope the same from you all. Thank you once again for coming. Thank you to all my teachers to make me feel proud, and thank you to all my little munchkins. Thank you everyone.
Part of this magical journey. Have a wonderful day. Your presence and support means the world to us. Thank you once again. Goodbye for now, and may your day be as wonderful as you have made ours. Thank you.